Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. And download free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!